Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of SPOTCHEM E-Plate cartridges. You can see that it's from Arkray SPOTCHEM E-Plates. Basically this is a 50 plate box. It will be used for checking the electrolytes. You can see this. The SPOTCHEM E-Plate is a complete disposable electrode which measures sodium, potassium and chlorine simultaneously. You can see this here. You can see the catalog number here. The temperature to be maintained between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. I'll just show you around the box. Yeah, it's in the front and in the top you can see this here. You can see this is manufactured from Arkray factory in Japan. And the standard you have 1 year of expiry period. You can see the lot number mentioned here. I'll just open this for you. Just clean opened. Okay, got it opened. You can see this here. Inside you can see there are this is 25 and 25 E-plates. Let me pull this off. Okay, you can see there is lot card. Separately there is a lot number card. When changing the reagent lot, always insert this card to SE1520, calibrating the lot differences. So basically you have a card for calibrating the lot differences, so it's good. I mean, good. Okay, I'll keep it here. And then you have a brochure. Yeah, you got a brochure inside. So you got it in English. You can see this here. SPOTCHEM E-Plate is used with the SPOTCHEM SPOTCHEM EL analyzer using a small volume of blood, whole blood, serum or plasma or urine to determine the electrolytes sodium, potassium and chloride in a sample accurately with the simple operation. It provides wide range of application from routine diagnostics used to bedside test or emerging test. You can see this used in the SPOTCHEM machine actually. You can see this here. The test procedure is given. Precautions, how to conduct your test. You have the complete procedures. You have the complete procedure to conduct the test and interpret the results. I'm going to put it here back. I'll keep it here. Keep it here. Okay. So further, if you go inside, you can see there is you can see this here. There is a SPOTCHEM E-Plate reference solution. You got 6 ml bottle, 2 bottles. I'll just show you. 2 bottles each 6 ml, and you got cartridges. That is the plates. You call it as a plates. I have pulled out 2. You can see this here. Both the sides I have kept it here. So you can see here it says SPOTCHEM E-Plate. You can say sodium, potassium and chloride. And you can see the other side of the pouch has the restoring temperature and also the expiry period and the lot number. You can see this here. So you can see the same lot number is also mentioned in the A4E04. Here also you can see A4E04. So this is how the total test kits looks like. Quickly to summarize here, today we are seeing the unboxing of SPOTCHEM E-Plate. E-Plates, the test kits pack. This is a 50 test kit pack, and each of the pack it contains 50 test plates, 1 IFE brochure and 2 reference solution and 1 lot card for calibrating the differences between the lots. This is how the total kits looks like. This has to be stored in the room temperature actually. It has to be stored in the 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see this here. So the total kits looks like. Okay, thank you.